Hey guys, it's Alyssa here at the DanceWear Corner Superstore, and today I want to talk to you about how to use rosin. Now, if you're a point dancer, nothing is more stressful than slipping on that marley floor when you're trying to get up into that beautiful point. Rosin is a great product that gives you the traction that you need to help you from slipping on the floor. It'll also make you feel a little bit more confident when you're performing, as it will prevent from slipping on stage. Now, depending on what floor you have, rosin can affect it, so make sure you double check what kind of floor you have before using rosin. The best way to find out is to ask your dance teacher. Some teachers have a designated rosin box that you can stick rosin in, and you can coat your shoes in there. For best results, definitely talk to your teacher though. So let's talk about how to use it. We currently have two types in the store that you can purchase. You have a crystallized, and then you have a spray rosin. They come in a variety of packages that will fit your needs, so you can always ask one of our representatives in store or online which package is best for you. If you're using crystallized rosin, typically you'll want to keep this within some kind of designated area in the classroom or in a rosin box, as it can get a little powdery and all over the place. You can take a small nugget and put it inside of a box, and then with the tip of your point shoe you can crush it and grind it into the ground, and that will disperse the rosin into smaller pieces, getting a larger surface area of your platform or any other parts of the shoe that you're trying to cover. Spray rosin is a little bit more updated, and that makes it a little bit more simple to use. With this, there's no designated box that you're going to need, because you're going to be able to spray onto those same areas that you would on the edges and the platform and the sole of your shoe. With the use of rosin, we can avoid reliving those scary times of uncertainty, of that slippage, whether it's in rehearsal or on stage, being able to dance to our fullest. It's the perfect product to try, especially if you're that point dancer, and it's so simple to use. And of course, with any packaging, it's very easy to just keep with your dance bag or any other shoe bags that you might carry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you got some good new tips or tricks, especially for my newer point dancers out there. If you do have any other further questions, you can always reach out to us, or you can shop with us in store if you're in the Central Florida area. And I'll see you in the next video.